These buttons at the bottom of your screen are called soft keys, and they change depending on the state of your phone. The history button will show your call history. You can find more call details by pressing Option, and here you can select Detail, which will give you more details on the call, Add to Contact, which will let you place that number into your directory, or Add to Blacklist, which will blacklist that number. The Directory button will open up your directory settings. D&D button will enable Do Not Disturb. When Do Not Disturb is active, all incoming calls will automatically be sent to voicemail. There will be a symbol at the top of your screen that will indicate your phone is in Do Not Disturb. Pressing D&D again will toggle Do Not Disturb off. Your menu button will let you navigate your phone's additional features and settings. Your headset button can be used if you have a headset connected to your phone. Pressing this button will switch audio to your headset. The mute button will mute your voice on a call. The message key will take you to your voicemail. Once inside the mailbox, there will be a voice prompt, which will help you navigate your voicemail box. Press 1 to listen to your new message. Press 7 to delete the message. If you wish to edit your voicemail recording, press 0. Or press pound to exit your voicemail. The redial key will take you to your placed calls history page, where you can redial your last placed calls. To put your phone into call forward mode, use the arrow keys to enable always forward, input the target extension, and then press save. You can now know that your phone is in call forward mode by the orange symbol at the top of your screen. The speaker button places your phone into speaker mode. You may notice a flashing red light at the top of your phone. This light will flash every time you've had a missed call or a new voicemail. Pressing your history button in the case of a missed call or listening to your voicemail in the case of a new voicemail will stop the flashing red light. When you get an incoming call, there are several different ways to answer it. The most straightforward way is to simply pick up the handset. This will answer the phone and play the audio through the handset. Another way to answer the call is to press the button at the bottom left of your screen labelled Answer. You can also press the speaker button at the bottom of the phone, which will answer the call on speaker. As well, your other options are Forward, which will allow you to forward the incoming call to another extension, or you can Reject the call, which will send the caller straight to voicemail. If you did answer the call on speakerphone, you can switch it to your handset by simply picking up the handset. The symbol at the top left of your screen will indicate if the audio is coming through the handset or the speakerphone. Pressing the speaker button when the phone is in the cradle will hang up the call. To make a call, simply dial the intended number or extension, and from here you can either press the call button or simply pull the handset from the hook. When on a call, you'll notice there are different call options here. The transfer and hold button do the same thing as these buttons on the side. You will also have the option to use the conference button to conference in another line. If another call rings in while you're already on the call, you have the option to 1. Answer the call, which will automatically put the first call on hold, or to reject the call, which will send the incoming caller to voicemail. If you choose to answer the call, this will automatically place the first caller on hold. You can easily navigate back and forth between the two calls by pressing these line keys. Switching to one call automatically places the other on hold. You can know that the other caller is on hold by the flashing green light. There are 2 ways to transfer, blind and attended. A blind transfer sends the call directly to another phone. While on a call, press the button underneath the screen labelled Transfer, then dial the phone number or extension you wish to transfer the call to, then press B Transfer, and this will transfer that call to your target extension. An attended transfer allows you to speak to the party you're about to transfer the call to before the transfer actually takes place. To do this, press Transfer, then dial the phone number or extension you wish to transfer the call to, press Call, and you'll ring into the transfer extension. If that party would like to take the original call, simply press Transfer and this will connect the two calls. If the third party did not wish to take that call, simply end your call with them by pressing end call and then press resume to continue speaking to the original caller. If you would like to make a conference call while on a call, first press conference button, then dial the extension you wish to conference in, then press send. Once you're on the line with them, press conference again. At this point, you will have created a conference bridge. Note that since your phone has created it, if you were to end this call, this would end the call for all parties. The volume controls are located underneath the arrow keys. Below the screen, this controls the volume of your ringtone as well as the volume of your phone calls. When the handset is in the cradle, pressing the volume button adjusts the ringer volume. When the speaker is activated, pressing the volume button adjusts the speaker volume. When the handset is off the hook,